If you want to turn on astrophotography on your Google Pixel 9, so first of all, you ought to open up your camera application, of course. Now here at the bottom, let's press night sight. Great. So here, let's press on settings. It's right here. And look at your astrophotography. So to enable it, make sure that it's set on automatic because it works automatically. You can set up a timer, a ratio, and a focus. And basically, that's it. If you have more questions on using your astrophotography, tap on this question mark, and here is gonna be your manual. So go through it. Also, it's recommended to use a tripod and make sure that your phone is far from city lights because they can distract your astrophotography mode. But basically that's it. Now I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.